Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So let's make an easy peasy pasta recipe so that I used to make when I'm in my room. So let's take some oil and add some onions to it and just let them fry and let them be brown. After that you add some garlic, pinch of garlic to it for better taste. After that, when the onions get brown, just add some pinch of turmeric powder to it. So now comes the best part. I boiled two tomatoes. You can boil it or you can give it as simple as that. But yeah, I used to prefer boiling it because the flavor comes very good after that. So yeah, add them to the pan and just mash it properly and just let the flavors go inside the tomatoes and it leaves some beautiful flavors to the yeah pasta. So leave it until the tomatoes get mixed up and it leaves behind the oil just side by side. So leave it till then. Or you can add some chilies if you love to, then add before it, or you can also add it afterwards. This is just a simple recipe that you can make any time when you are so lazy, you don't feel like making something. So, and yeah, I just prefer having it in at night because I don't feel like having too much at night. So now you can add some sugar in it for the beautiful flavor and it leaves behind a beautiful color as we are going to make a red hot pasta sauce. So yeah, it looks good, it looks fabulous. After that you'll just come to know afterwards. So let's add some salt here according to your taste, how much you require. Now you give a proper mix up to 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. Just add everything properly. Also, very sorry for my bad voice because I'm not well enough, so you have to deal with it. So yeah, sorry. And now, so you can see this oil coming out. Some the masalas are leaving this oil. So now you can add the tomato paste or whatever pasta paste you have. I am using this Wingreens pizza pasta sauce, so you can also add this one. And now I will add some tomato sauce. So it's a sweet tomato hot sauce. So you can add some or you can add according to your flavor also how much you require. So now you give it a proper mix and just add some zira powder to it. So you can see, you can already see the color. It's just amazing. It looks amazing. So now you add the pasta to it and give it a proper mix. Doesn't it seems too tasty and it's so easy that you can make any time you just like to. So yeah, this is my easy peasy pasta recipe and if you liked it, so do comment and do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you so much.